What happens to you is nowhere near as important as what you think about what happens to you. My friend John Canary told me that many, many years ago. And it's right. If you think something is overwhelming, it will be. But if you think of it, it can be an advantage, well, it can be. It's all about your mindset. And John is always about mindset. You know, Today, many advisors are absolutely convinced that they can't perform at BC levels, before COVID. They think absolutely everything is different and that nothing is the same. They must learn a whole new way of doing business. And these advisors are getting exactly what they expect: tough times. In fact, I've heard that some are even taking this time off to kind of wait the virus, the lockdown out. Well, on the other hand, other advisors, like my good friend Cleo Castillo in Calgary, have a different mindset. To him, everything about his business is exactly the same, except for just one thing. You see, to him, it's still the same 25 life cases per month, only less driving. Prospecting is still the same. The people, well, he talks to, well, they're all the same. Calling for appointments is the same. His presentation to his prospects, well, it's the same. His recommendations, same. His closing strategy, also the same. The only difference is that instead of he being with his prospect in their kitchens in person, he is still with this prospect in their kitchens, but via Zoom. Everything else is the same. What a great mindset. That's extraordinary. What a great way to think about that. How flexible and adaptable he has been. And he is. To him, business is exactly the same in every way to him, except for where he is. And I got to tell you, business is a lot easier when you have the same job every day during the pandemic, just like Cleo. So here's what I say: get his successful virtual selling mindset. It's all the same except for Zoom. God bless you, and I'll see you again next week.